Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to PitaChew. So today is Thursday, all right? It's really late, and actually, let me just show you guys what I have before I get going. So this is their Whole Foods Thanksgiving dinner package you can order. Check this out. Look at this box. All right. Let's see what's in it. This is the Thanksgiving one. Okay, here's the order sheet. This one is, I'll explain it later. Let me unbox this real quick. Okay. Look at how they pack this. It's really tight. Let's move it out. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. We have one more. Look at this. This is quite a lot of food. All right, out you go. Okay, so let me tell you guys what we have. So this order, obviously, is from Whole Foods. This is their Thanksgiving pack you can order. So this is made for 2 people. So there's a, once you order this, you have a chef. Let me try to pronounce this. So the chef was Jenné Claiborne. I'm pretty sure it's a female. She's the one that prepared this. So we have, let's open this one up. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna try really hard not to spill. Ooh. Great. And I spilled. Anyhow, this one is the mushroom étouffée. Check that out. All right. And then the next one is we have some the black eyed pea fritters. Look at this. That's a lot. Okay. Looky there. What's this? This one looks like stuffing. We have vegan spicy cornbread dressing. Vegan spicy cornbread. What cornbread? No. We have, actually, so my niece, her name is Rita. You guys know her. She's the one that ordered my meal, and she put in 2 orders. So the other orders was for her husband, Jason, and this one's for me. So Jason probably had the spicy cornbread something. I have greens. Check that out. Okay. And then this is not dressing. What's it called? Stuffing. Check that out. Okay. And I got a pineapple. Oh my God. This one's oh my, where is my brain today? This is pumpkin pie. Let me get it out. Check that out. Look at that pumpkin pie. Okay. All right. Let me organize this real quick, and then we are gonna come back for this mukbang. All right. See you in a bit. All right, you guys. I am back. So let me go ahead and start making my plate real quick. Okay. So this is the stuffing right here. It looks so delicious. Okay, let's get going. Ooh. Oh yeah. We got some collard greens right here. Come on. This looks so good. Ooh. Okay, then we have the mushroom. All right, I see you. This is such a good idea for Whole Foods to offer something like this. Okay. And let me get some fritters. Okay. Okay. Let me show you guys the pie. Look at this pie. Okay. And of course, my lovely niece, Rita, she made some homemade vegan. My brain always gets in the way. What the hell is this? Biscuits. She's gonna kill me. She made some biscuits. So I'm gonna take that on my plate. Okay, let's just move this. We good. All right, here we go. So how's everyone doing? How was your Thanksgiving? I just hope that everyone spends some quality time with their family and loved ones. Oh, that one's got a kick. Sweet. Hold on, let me eat real quick before we chit chat. Oh, oh, the mushroom. Here, you guys try it. It's spicy. Let's try the fritters. Fritters. All right. Here, you guys gotta try the greens. Collard greens. Open up. You know what? Let me check the mic because I hate to be recording and the mic is not even on. I've already done that so many times. Testing. Do I see you? All right. We are safe. So it's really late today. Just got back from my family's Thanksgiving dinner. And technically I was supposed to eat this over there at my family's house for Thanksgiving. But I choose to save it so that I can eat it later on and film it with you guys. So here we are. Let's try the biscuits. So buttery. So obviously, you probably already know this already, but I popped these in the oven. I just took the plastic lids off, foiled them up, pop them in the oven for 350, and warm it up for about 20 minutes. So they're nice and hot. Or I say warm. I want to know how many of you guys have left town for Thanksgiving? And where did you guys go? I want to know. Leave it down in the comment section. I'm always interested in people leaving out of town for like holidays to spend time with their family. All my family's here in Seattle, or should I say Washington State. Let's say about 85% of my family is in Washington State. So I have no reason to get out of state for holidays to visit family, besides one or two family members. But other than that, majority of them are here. So one of these days, I would love to at least just to fly out and visit some of them. Yeah, let me know where'd you guys go. Oh, something to drink. Cool. So, as some of you guys have already heard, my dear sister just passed away. So this is my first video ever since. This is the first video since then. So it's bittersweet, but I know she's up there watching over us. Well, when I say us, I mean my family. And I miss her so much. Anyhow. I am back on YouTube full time, back to normal schedule. So I have a lot of catching up to do. I mean, I've been off for what, a month? That is a long time to be off of YouTube. That's basically a year in YouTube world. Not only that, it's kind of hard to get back on track. So but we got this. We got it. Oh. This mushroom is really good. Let me say the proper name for this. Excuse me. This is the mushroom Étouffée. I'm sabotaging this. It says it here, somewhere there. I'll leave it in the description. It is good. since I've been off from YouTube, I've been off from anything and everything as far as my schedule. So the gym, I didn't even go to the gym for a whole month. It was really rough because for an Islander funeral, it can literally take 2 weeks of what's it called? Kind of like almost like a service, a funeral service. That's a long time to be, to have a funeral service. I can't explain it really well how it is, but technically, hold on, let me explain it. Hopefully I can explain it well. So we have 10 days to pray. I'm pretty sure, anyhow, we have 10 days of prayer, meaning in our culture, we would pray every day at home, every day for 10 days straight. And after that, then we have churches. All these different churches would come like any time, but they would have to call to schedule of when they're going to show up. So when those groups come in, those church groups, it can range from 10 people all the way up to 30 people. So when they do come in, we have to prep food. We have to prep food basically maybe 3. It all depends how many groups are coming in, how many church groups are coming in. So in our case, we had about 4 church groups. So all those 4 church groups that came, we would have to prepare meals for them, home cooked meal at the house. All those 4 days for those church members. So that was really a task to do. Come on, stuffing. So good. Okay, let me load up my plate real quick. Okay, come on, stuff. I'll use a spoon. Stuffing is actually very seasoned. Almost, what was that, the fritters? I don't know, but I taste some kind of a curry spice. Not complaining, I'm just saying. Okay, I need some of this mushroom. Oh, got the hiccups. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Okay, come on, greens. Okay. Yeah. Fritters. I'm not too fond of the fritters. I don't think I ever had fritters ever. And if I did, I don't even remember it. It just tastes like a, I don't know, it tastes like a granola bar. Okay, you got a biscuit. There. Oh. I was sick. I had a flu for the past a week and a half. Let me tell you. No bueno. So, I'm getting better. That was also the reason why I didn't go to the gym, because I was sick as a dog. Sick as a dog in funeral services that I would have, that we attend to. Oh, I'm full. I'm full. Well, majority of this meal is carbs. Look, carbs, carbs, carbs. Of course, some carbs. Carb loading over here. It is so late. It's about, what time is it? It's about 3:30 in the morning, so. By the time you guys will see this video, it's probably going to be a Sunday. Yeah, that's my release date. It's a Sunday, so everything would be done. Black Friday would be done. Do you guys still go shopping on Black Friday? I don't know when was the last time I've been to Black Friday. It's been years. Okay, I'm getting stuffed. Whew. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much this costs. So what you guys see here, boom, 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 and the pie, boom. It was $39.99. That's a really good price for 2 people. Oh, this was $49.99. Ow, ow, ow. $39.99. Yep. And of course, this is vegan. Let me get some juice. Okay, I think I'm done eating. Excuse me. Just got room for the apple. Not the apple. The pineapple. Lord. Pumpkin pie. Okay, let me move this. I think I'm gonna put this here so I can have a plate full of the pie. It's gonna be a mess. Okay, let's taste this pie. Here, you have first bite. Go ahead, take a bite. Tell me what you think. Wow. All right, this is good. Okay. Okay, do it. That's all I got left. This pie's so delicious. That was good. I am in a coma. I'm in a food coma. Oh. Oh my God. Whew. I am stuffed, tired, and all that. Oh, one more thing, you guys. I want to thank each and every one of you guys so much for the comments and your condolences that you left on Beat the Flakes channel. I had a post here about my sister. Just want to thank you guys so much. It really means a lot to me and my family. That being said, we're going to continue moving forward. All right. So I'm back on normal schedule. Videos will be up normally, whatever that time is or the date. We got this. Yeah. All right, you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, and remember to click on that bell so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, I'll see you soon, okay? Ofatwe. Bye. Gotta go to sleep. All right, you guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys soon. So, today's what? Yeah, the video will be up tomorrow, not tomorrow, Sunday for you guys, all right?